Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mixed fruit ice cream at home. Start with the freshest ingredients for the best results. For a delicious batch of homemade mixed fruit ice cream, you'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ripe fruits, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to elevate those natural fruit flavors. This simple combination forms the perfect base for a creamy, delightful treat. Once your fruits are ready, wash them thoroughly and chop about 2 cups into small, manageable pieces. Next, transfer the chopped fruit to a blender and process until you achieve a smooth, consistent puree. For an extra silky ice cream, push the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or fibrous bits. This step ensures a wonderfully smooth and enjoyable texture in your final product. Now, in a large bowl, combine your smooth fruit puree with 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together thoroughly until the sugar has completely dissolved. Then, pour this delightful mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for about 20 to 25 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. After churning, your ice cream will be soft, like a thick milkshake. Carefully transfer it to an airtight container, ensuring it's sealed well to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place the container in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop. When ready, serve generous scoops of your delicious homemade mixed fruit ice cream, perhaps garnished with a few extra fresh fruit pieces for a perfect treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.